Hi, good afternoon. My name's Paul Connolly and I'm the Managing Director of Connolly Security Systems, our family business established in 1986. The government have brought in a new law that comes in February 2021 in relation to fire safety law, and all residential properties across the United Kingdom must have these things installed. These are smoke detectors, and these should be installed in places such as your hall, your landing, your living room, and you should have a heat detector installed in your kitchen, and you should also have a unit called a carbon monoxide detector. These detectors pick up faults from gas central heating boilers. These detectors are mostly wireless for residential properties, so they're very easy to install, but they should be installed by a compliant and regulated installation company such as CSS. Regulated companies will also issue a certificate to ensure that you've got a properly installed system that meets with the legislation and the law. You shouldn't get these installed by Tom, Dick and Harry or somebody who knows somebody, because they need to be certificated, and that's important. If you're ever going to sell your home, you'll need that as part of your home report, or if you've got a building warrant, if you put an extension on your home. So the smoke detectors, heat detectors must be installed by a compliant and competent company. So for more information on this new technology and the requirements of the law, please visit cssltd.co.uk or give us a call, and we'd be happy to help. And that's the end of this elevator presentation. So thanks for listening, and hope to hear from you soon. Bye.